How to get glowing text effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the CapCut application on your device and tap on New Project. You will be led to the photos, so tap on the stock option you see there. Select the all black background and tap on Add. Now here you will see the option for text. Tap on that and go ahead and enter any text you like. You can also choose the font, style, effects, and animation. I will just add animation to my text here. Now tap on the export option you see on the top right of your screen. Once exported, go back and now tap on New Project again. This time, add the video we just saved earlier. On the bottom toolbar, you will see the option for effects. Tap on that and then tap on Video Effects. Here you will see various effects. Go ahead and select the glowing effect here and you can see my text in CapCut is all glowing. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.